In this guide, I'm going to show you a few easy ways to fix your battery drain on your iPhone, especially if it started after updating to iOS 26. Make sure you follow these quick steps to help your phone last longer on a single charge. Before we do dive into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down to see the battery tab and open it up. From here, go ahead and select power mode, and after opening up your power mode, go ahead and enable adaptive power mode. This is going to automatically adjust your phone's performance to save battery throughout the day without slowing things down. When you're on the main battery sections, you can also check your battery usage by scrolling down and selecting view all on this option right here to see what exactly is using the most amount of your battery. If there's something that you rarely use up at the very top, go ahead and delete it, because clearly it's using up too much battery. But from here, go ahead and back out of your battery settings and scroll down, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just click on the search bar and type in mail and go to the mail app settings. Look for the option that says mail fetch. You may need to navigate specifically into the mail account section right here and then go into fetch new data and change it from automatically to fetch new data or manually, just because this is going to stop your iPhone from constantly checking for new emails in the background. Finally, go back to the main settings page and you're going to want to go ahead and go into the general settings by select general just like so. Then scroll down and go to the very bottom where it says there's an option for background app refresh. Open it up and turn it off completely or only leave it on for essential apps, because it's going to prevent unnecessary apps from running in the background and draining power. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But this should help you stop your battery draining extremely quickly here on an iPhone. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.